Welcome to today's instructional video on how to solve the quadratic equation x squared plus 20x plus 100. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of finding the solutions to this equation. So, grab your pencil and paper, and let's get started. To solve the quadratic expression, x squared plus 20x plus 100, we start by identifying its form. Notice that the expression can be represented as a perfect square since a squared term, x squared, is followed by a term involving x, which is 20x, and we have a constant term, which is 100. In the first step, recognize that this quadratic expression looks like the expansion of x plus 10 squared. So, we rewrite the expression by altering it into x plus 10 squared. This is because when x plus 10 is multiplied by itself, it expands back to x squared plus 20x plus 100. Hence, the given quadratic expression, x squared plus 20x plus 100, is rewritten as x plus 10 squared. Thus, in solving the problem, x squared plus 20x plus 100, Step 2 involves verifying the rewritten form and confirming its equivalence. By expanding x plus 10 squared, we multiply x plus 10 by itself. This results in x squared plus 10x plus 10x plus 100. Combining like terms, we get x squared plus 20x plus 100. Hence, the original quadratic expression indeed matches its reformulated version. Therefore, the final answer is x plus 10 squared. This expression represents the simplest and most factored form of the given quadratic expression, x squared plus 20x plus 100. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.